Nestled in the shadow of Tepozteco's cliffs, the LL house emerges like a natural extension of the mountain itself. Its monolithic forms appear sculpted from the weathered stones of the hill, each a geometric fragment that splinters, joins, and reconnects to create the home's internal spaces. These volumes play a fascinating dance, coming together to create expansive, airy areas, then fragmenting again to offer secluded retreats. From the street, each fragment acts as a teaser, drawing the eye upwards and hinting at the hidden depths within. The house seems to hold its secrets close, revealing only glimpses of its geometric beauty. But as you turn towards the mountain, a transformation occurs. The LL house throws open its windows, its volumes expanding in a gesture of homage to the breathtaking vista. Here, the focus is entirely outward, soaking in the splendor of the peaks. The journey inwards is a revelation in itself. Passing through narrow alleyways formed by the compressed volumes, a sense of anticipation builds. Then, a sudden, dramatic shift. You emerge from the compressed space into a world of expansive openness. The vast garden unfolds before you, embraced by the living areas, 4 bedrooms and a sprawling living room. Light streams in from every direction, illuminating the space with a warm, afternoon glow. The remaining fragments of the house strategically detach themselves from the main structure, creating a network of intimate courtyards and unexpected vantage points. These pockets of space offer a sense of quiet contemplation, each frame a unique perspective on the surrounding mountains. The play of light and shadow throughout the day adds another layer of intrigue, as the sun traces its path across the sky, casting ever-changing patterns on the walls. The construction of the LL house is as innovative as its design. The walls utilize a system of lightweight, expanded polystyrene panels, cloaked in a 3-dimensional wire mesh. This structure allows the concrete to be tinted with subtle hues that echo the colors of the mountains, creating a home that is both visually striking and in perfect harmony with its surroundings.